Hello and welcome to our home pulse oximetry instruction video. After attending your collection outpatient appointment, you should have a box containing all the equipment you will need to carry out a home sleep study. This box will include one of these monitors. They both do the same job, but they look slightly different. A sensor, a cable. There are two different cables and this will depend on what monitor you receive. And a power cable. The oximeter records the oxygen in your child's blood and their heart rate. Step 1. Attaching the sensor. Open the pouch and remove the sensor. Locate the sensor and identify the black square and the star symbol. Remove the clear plastic backing from the sensor and the sticky bandage wrap. This sensor will be placed on either your child's foot or toe depending on their age. Sensor placement for a younger child. The sticky side of the sensor attaches to the foot. Place the sensor so that the tail runs away from your child. Apply the black square onto the fleshy part of the sole of the foot. Wrap the sensor around the foot and ensure that the star symbol aligns directly opposite the black square. It is helpful to place a sock over your child's foot and ensure the probe stays attached. Sensor placement for an older child. The sticky side of the sensor attaches to the foot. Place the sensor so that the tail runs away from your child. Apply the black square onto the fleshy part of the big toe. Wrap the sensor around the toe and ensure the star symbol aligns on the toe directly opposite the black square. It is helpful to place a sock over your child's foot to ensure the probe stays attached. Step 2. Attach the sensor to the cable. Position the sensor's connectors tab so that the shiny gold contacts are facing up. Position the patient cable with the red line facing up. Insert the sensor tab into the patient cable until there is a click of connection. If you have this monitor, RAD97, look at the other end of the sensor cable and locate the top side of the connector. It has a red rectangle on it. Push the cable into the port on the oximeter, keeping the red rectangle facing up. Step 3. Turning on the oximeter. Put the black power lead into the power supply at the back of the monitor. Connect the monitor to the mains or electricity supply. You may use an extension lead if necessary. Turn on the oximeter by pressing the power button. The power button will illuminate green and the RAD97 will power on. The screen will then go into sleep mode and go black. The green light on the home button will turn off. Touch the screen to illuminate and ensure the monitor is picking up data. This may take up to 30 seconds. Once the monitor is receiving data, numbers will appear on the screen when illuminated. The screen will return to sleep mode after a couple of seconds, but you may touch the screen to check that it's collecting data at any point during the study. When the screen is black, you will know the monitor is recording as you will see a yellow status light on the handle of the monitor. Lay the monitor flat on the floor at the end of your child's bed and leave it to collect data. Step 4. Disconnecting the monitor. To turn the monitor off, press and hold the power button for approximately 8 seconds until 2 audible tones sound. The power button will flash orange, then the oximeter will power down and turn off. This will save the data. Disconnect the sticky disposable sensor from the cable and throw this sensor away. Please wipe down the cable, the black power lead and the oximeter with the alcohol wipe provided before putting them back in the box to be returned. If recording more than one night's study, please ensure that the monitor is turned off and on in between nights. Thank you for watching our home sleep study setup guide, and we hope you have a successful sleep study.